Sony Alpha 7S III full-frame mirrorless camera with fast hybrid AF launched. Sony Alpha 7S III aka Sony A7S Mark III full-frame mirrorless camera has been announced by the company as a long-awaited follow-up to the Alpha 7S II from 2015. It brings some new and improved features over its predecessor, including a new image processing engine, a touchscreen display, and some notable changes to the placement of the buttons, among others. The Sony Alpha 7S III can also record 4K video at a higher FPS with its new and improved image sensor. Sony Alpha 7S III price. The Sony Alpha 7S III is priced at $3,499.99, roughly 2 rupees and 61 paise lakhs, for the camera body. It is currently available for pre-orders in North America and will go on sale starting September 24. As of now, there is no information on international availability. Sony Alpha 7S III specifications and features. The Sony Alpha 7S III comes with the new Bions XR image processor and a 12.1 megapixel back-illuminated full-frame XMRR seamless image sensor. The ISO range has also been improved a bit on the Alpha 7S III, now going from 40 to 409,600 instead of the 50 to 409,600 range on the Alpha 7S II. The Mark III can now record 4K video at 120p with 10-bit 4:2:2 color depth. It also brings 4K 60p 16-bit RAW video HDMI output capability, which Sony says is the first time in the Alpha series. This full-frame camera can take still images at up to 10 fps, more than 1000 consecutive uncompressed RAW images. The Sony A7S Mark III uses the newly launched CF Express Type A memory cards and supports 2 of them. The company says data transfer speeds on these CF Express Type cards is 1.7 times faster than that of SD cards. They have advertised 700 megabytes per second write and 800 megabytes per second read speeds and come in 80 gigabytes and 160 gigabytes capacity. The Sony Alpha 7S III uses a fast hybrid autofocus (AF) feature that combines phase detection and contrast detection, allowing the camera to track subjects faster over a wide area. It has 759-point phase detection AF sensors that cover 92% of the image sensor. The Alpha 7S III features 5-axis optical in-body image stabilization with an additional active mode for more advanced handheld movie shooting. Sony says this camera's 9.44 million OLED electronic viewfinder is the brightest and largest in the world. The menu system on the full-frame camera has been redesigned to work with the touchscreen that can articulate. Connectivity options on the Sony A7S Mark III include dual-band Wi-Fi, USB tethering, and a USB Type-C connector that supports super-speed USB 5 GB per second data transfer. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.